Welcome to Class 8 of the ITMaster YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the essential world of plugins for your website. Plugins are like magic tools that can enhance your website's functionality, security, and performance. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, understanding plugins is crucial for building a successful website. So, let's jump right in and explore the must-have plugins for your WordPress website. Introduction to plugins. A definition of plugins. Plugins are software components that add specific features or functionalities to a website, extending its capabilities beyond the core platform. Big importance of plugins for website functionality. Plugins play a crucial role in enhancing the functionality, performance, and security of a website. See, overview of different types of plugins. Plugins can serve various purposes, including SEO optimization, security enhancement, performance optimization, e-commerce integration, and more. Essential plugins overview. SEO plugins. 1. Importance of SEO for website visibility. SEO, search engine optimization, helps improve a website's visibility on search engine results pages, SERPs, driving organic traffic. 2. Popular SEO plugins. Yoast SEO and All-in-One SEO Pack are among the most widely used SEO plugins for WordPress. 3. Installing and configuring SEO plugins. Navigate to the Plugins section in the WordPress dashboard. Click on Add New and search for the desired SEO plugin. Install and activate the plugin. Configure the plugin settings, including title tags, meta descriptions, XML sitemap, and more. B. Security plugins. 1. Importance of website security. Website security is essential for protecting sensitive data, preventing hacking attempts, and maintaining user trust. 2. Popular security plugins. WordFence Security and Sucuri Security are widely used security plugins for WordPress. 3. Installing and configuring security plugins. Search for the desired security plugin in the Plugins section of the WordPress dashboard. Install and activate the plugin. Configure security settings, such as firewall rules, malware scanning, login security, and more. C. Performance plugins. 1. Importance of website performance optimization. Optimizing website performance improves user experience, reduces bounce rates, and enhances search engine rankings. 2. Popular performance plugins. WP Super Cache and W3 Total Cache are popular performance optimization plugins for WordPress. 3. Installing and configuring performance plugins. Locate the desired performance plugin in the WordPress plugin repository. Install and activate the plugin. Configure caching settings, minification, lazy loading, and other performance optimization features. Installing and configuring popular plugins. A step-by-step guide to installing plugins in WordPress. 1. Navigate to the Plugins section in the WordPress dashboard. 2. Click on Add New. 3. Search for the desired plugin using keywords or browse the featured, popular, or recommended plugins. 4. Click on Install Now next to the plugin you wish to install. 5. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate to activate the plugin. Be a hands-on demonstration. Walk through the process of installing and configuring SEO, security, and performance plugins. Provide guidance on adjusting settings based on specific website needs and best practices. Exploring the WordPress plugin directory. An overview of the WordPress plugin directory. Introduce the WordPress plugin directory as a centralized repository for WordPress plugins. Be navigating the plugin directory to find suitable plugins. Demonstrate how to search for plugins based on categories, tags, and keywords. C. Understanding plugin ratings, reviews, and compatibility. Highlight the importance of checking plugin ratings, reviews, and compatibility with your WordPress version and other plugins. D. Best practices for selecting and evaluating plugins. Provide tips on choosing reliable plugins, avoiding potential conflicts, and ensuring plugin compatibility with your website. Conclusion. A recap of essential plugins discussed. Summarize the key points discussed regarding SEO, security, and performance plugins. B. Importance of regularly updating and maintaining plugins. Emphasize the significance of keeping plugins updated to ensure optimal performance and security. C. Q&A session. Invite students to ask questions and clarify any doubts regarding plugin installation, configuration, or usage. Homework assignment. Install and configure One SEO plugin on your WordPress website. B. Install and configure One Security plugin on your WordPress website. C. Install and configure One Performance plugin on your WordPress website. Additional resources. Recommended readings and online resources. Provide links to additional resources for further learning about WordPress plugins and best practices. B. Community forums and support groups. Recommend online forums and support groups where students can seek assistance for troubleshooting plugin-related issues. As we conclude our discussion on essential plugins for your website, let's take a moment to look ahead to our next class. Class 9, Understanding SEO and Optimizing Your Content. In our next class, we'll delve into the fascinating world of SEO, search engine optimization, and learn how to optimize your website's content to improve its visibility on search engines. We'll cover the basics of SEO, why it's crucial for your website's success, and practical strategies for optimizing your content to rank higher in search engine results. Plus, we'll explore how you can leverage SEO plugins to streamline your optimization efforts and achieve better visibility online. Stay tuned for Class 9, where we'll unlock the secrets of SEO and empower you to take your website to new heights in the digital landscape. Until then, keep experimenting with plugins and refining your website's performance and functionality. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to seeing you in our next class. Remember to subscribe to the ITMaster YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest tutorials and tech insights. Happy learning!